So guys, we have started this topic percentage. This topic is very important because it is being used in this chapter also, percentage, then profit loss discount, and after that simple interest, compound interest as well. This topic is a very important topic, and question comes definitely, one or two question comes from this topic, percentage. Fine. So first we will see some basic questions which I had already solved, but still again I will explain it to you how it works. So the very basic question is this simple one. 28% of 450. This kind of question definitely comes in the examination. Be ready for this kind of questions. So 28% of 450, 45% of 280. Now, as I told, percentage means 1 upon 100. So 28% will mean 28 upon 100 times 450. 45% will mean 45 upon 100 into 280. And then I have to solve this, simplify this, and add it. Once we add it, we will directly take the answer. So the answer is 252. This is one of the very basic question in which directly we have to just put the value of the percentage and add this. Similarly, second question 225%. As I told, percentage means 1 upon 100. So 225% means 225 upon 100. So you cut it with 5, 5 twos are, 5 zeros are, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are. So when you cut it, answer becomes 9 by 4. This is what is meant by percentage. Percentage means 1 upon 100. Okay. Next such question which we have done is 35%. Again, 35% means 35 upon 100. 35% means 35 upon 100 times 480 plus 120% means 120 upon 100 times 120, and we will solve this question. Fine. So these are three simple questions. Let us move to a bit higher level questions. Like, let us study question number 3. Let us take question number 3 into account. What question number 3 says? Samir scored 108 marks out of 120. So he scored 108. Total score was 120 in a test. Therefore, his pass percentage is. So how much pass percentage is there? Therefore, his percentage is. So 108 divided by 120 times 100. 0, 0. 12 ones are 12. 12 nines are 108. If you cut directly by 9, 12 nines are 108. We can directly cut it to 9. So 12 nines are 108. And 9 into 10 is 90%. So the percentage is 90% is the answer. 90% is the answer. It is direct written. Directly we can cut the question. Okay, question number 6 we will do later. Question number 8. These are all questions from percentage which have come in previous Goa Staff Selection Commission examination. Okay, so on a particular day, there was some day 32% of students were present. Okay, so if 32 is present, how many will be absent? Absent will be 100 minus 32. 100 minus 32 will give me 68% are absent. If the number of absentees was 51, means these people who were absent was 51. Matlab 68% of the total number of student in a class is 51. Total students ka I have taken as S. So 68% of total students is equal to 51. So how much is S? What is the total number of students? This is the question. So 68 upon 100 of means multiply S is equal to 51. So S is equal to 51. 100 goes on top into 100. 68 comes down. Now, in which table 51 and 68 comes? It is the table of 17. 17 threes are 17 fours are 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68. 4 ones are 400. 4 twos are 8, 20 fives are. So 25. So 25 into 3, answer is 75%. 75% will be the answer. Okay, so on a particular day, if there were some students who were present, so we have to find how many are absent and then accordingly find the answer. So that is how answer is 75%. Moving on to the next question. A student needs 40 marks to pass an examination. Okay, total passing marks is 40. If he gets 305 marks and fails by 15 marks, means you are getting 305 marks, you got in your exam 305 and you failed by 15 marks. So what does it mean? If you would have scored this 15 marks, you would have passed. If you would have scored these 15 marks, you would have passed. So now add 5 and 5, 10, carry 1, 1 and 1, 2. So how much is it? 320. Means 320 was the passing marks. 320 was the passing marks. Now a student needs 40 marks. Okay, fine. So 40% for passing. So 40% of what? 40% of total marks. 40% of total marks. So what I'll do is 40% of my total marks, let me take as T is equal to 320. So this will become 40 upon 100. T is equal to 320 and it will become T is equal to 320. 100 goes on top, 40 comes down. 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4, 8s are 8 into 100 is T is equal to 800. Total number of marks is 800. So total marks is how much? 800 is the total mark. This is how we solve all these questions. 800 is the total mark. Let us move ahead. Sum of three consecutive number is 123. Third number is consecutive means if one number is x, other number is x plus 1, third number is x plus 2. These are consecutive. Like 8, 9, 10. These are consecutive, lagatar, without any break. So the sum of all these three is 123. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 123. X, 3x, 2 and 1, 3. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 123. So 3x is equal to 123 minus 3, which is 120. So 3x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 by 3. Simple division, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, zeros are. So x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. We have to find the third number, which is x plus 2. X plus 2 is 40 plus 2. Answer will be 42. Answer will be 42. This way you have to solve the question if any question comes with consecutive numbers. Okay, so the answer is 42. Okay, now let us move to other questions. Yes, question number 4. The present population of a town is 25,000. Present population of a town is 25,000. It grows at a pace of 4%, 5%, and 8%. Means first year it is growing at 4%. First year it is growing at 4%. So if your pocket money is 100 and it grows by 4%, it will be what? 104. So in first year it will be 104 upon 100. 104 upon 100 because it is first year. Now coming to second year it is 5%. Do 105 by 100. Second year 5%. 105 by 100. Third year is 8%. So 108 upon 100. Now it is so huge, so immense. This is why Vedic maths is required, or questions with a bit of understanding techniques are required. That is why madam has taken Vedic maths or speed maths yesterday to solve these kind of questions. Okay, now let us strike it out. Two zeros, 10, 10. 25 ones are 25, fours are 10 is there, two fives are, and this is two fives are, two fours are. Five ones are five, five twos are 10, five ones are 21. And here four ones are four, four twos are eight, 24, four six are 24. So answer is 26 to 21 into 54. 26 into 21 into 54. So once you multiply this you have to do. No one else can do for you. You have to do this. And answer comes as 29484. This is the answer. Once you multiply this, answer is 29484. So these are some 7 8 questions from percentage which have come in previous Goa Staff Selection Commission examinations. Okay, you can just go through it. If you have any doubts, comment to us. Tell us if you have any doubts, any questions. We will do the needful. Okay, whatever it is. Take some time, go through the entire sheet, and if you have any doubts, any questions, ask us. These are some of the basic questions which comes in percentage topic. Okay, fine guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just go through it and let us